Mastering the phrase, on the ball. English Idioms Unveiled. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to dive into a popular English phrase that often bounces around in conversations, on the ball. If you've been puzzled by what this phrase means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's roll into the details and unpack the meaning together. On the ball refers to being alert, competent, and quick to understand or react. It's often used to praise someone who is sharp and attentive. This idiom likely comes from sports, where being on the ball literally means being in control and ready for action. The phrase is believed to have originated from sports, such as baseball or soccer, where being focused on the ball is crucial. It has since rolled into everyday language, signifying someone's ability to respond effectively to the task at hand. Now, let's see how on the ball is used in sentences. 1. When the crisis hit, our manager was really on the ball and solved the problem quickly. 2. You have to stay on the ball if you want to keep up with the fast pace of this industry. 3. I love working with Jenna. She's always on the ball with the latest trends. Use on the ball when you want to compliment someone for their quick thinking or efficiency. It's perfect for professional settings as well as casual conversations. And that's a wrap on the ball. We hope you now feel confident using this idiom in your daily English conversations. Remember, staying on the ball means staying ahead of the game. See you in our next video, where we'll tackle more English phrases. Keep learning, and stay sharp.